Hey everyone! Today in our art class, we drew a picture representing Mother Nature. First, we started with a base sketch with some guidelines and then started adding the details with a black ball pen. Using the techniques of pen art taught by my teacher, we created a beautiful art piece. Watch this video and see the results.